Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, as we talked about at 5 o'clock, if you were watching World News with Diane Sawyer, they've been bracing for a first major winter storm of 2014. In fact, this one is going to be a doozy. Already getting reports of around 10 to 12, 14 inches of snow across central Pennsylvania, down towards my hometown of Dayton, Ohio. I talked to my folks today. They've got 8 inches on the ground. In addition, you can see from Washington, D.C. down towards Baltimore, most of Rhode Island and Delaware also getting socked in with the snow. This is all headed up towards New York City. Big area of low pressure, a very, very cold Arctic blast coming with it as well. Couple that with another storm moving up from the south. Both of those will meet basically just offshore and create what's called a nor'easter. And that's basically a big storm that sort of bombs out over the ocean and pulls in the northeasterly winds, a la lots of moisture, cold air in place. That means plenty of snowfall, and that is going to be a major weather player for not only the East Coast, but pretty much the airports all across the country as we're going to see ripple effects for that. Now, a little closer to home, we've got a little bit of snow. Most of that is up in the Washington Cascades. Unfortunately, looks like our snow for this first wave coming through early tomorrow morning is going to be at around 5,000 feet and above. So good for past travelers. It should just be kind of a slushy rain snow mix at times. Ski resorts, though, probably won't see more than maybe just an inch or two. There's the back end of the front continuing to slowly get closer to us. So we've got most of the night tonight where we will stay dry. Tomorrow morning is when I expect to see most of the small chances of rain coming on through. 40s up in Portland today. We got into the low 50s in Eugene. Nice to see the sunshine crack back out again this afternoon. Not so much down towards Roseburg. Socked into the clouds around 45, 54 in Newport, and around 55 as you get to North Bend. So here are the numbers for today. Above average. Nice to see that after we were in the 30s for the next couple of days, and 34 the overnight lows. For right now, we're still sitting fairly mild. We'll see the colder air move through with the front tomorrow morning. Everybody in the mid 40s and even still 50s out in Bend and Redmond. Overnight tonight, right around 42 out to the coast, right around 40 degrees with some clouds and fog, but the rain should hold off till tomorrow morning. So there's a little dip that's going to bring in the cooler air with it for Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. But as we take our stormcast next through the next 24 hours, I should say, you can see by mostly 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, the rain is pretty much done. We should be back to at least partly cloudy skies tomorrow afternoon to not full sunshine out to the coast. And then the next 36 hours after that, Friday into Saturday, we see that high pressure ridge start to rebuild. And that's where I think we could get some of the dense fog building back into the valley for the weekend. So the coast tomorrow, we'll see sunny skies by the afternoon, some light rain showers in the morning. Most of those will clear pretty quickly. Mostly sunny by the afternoon in the Umpqua. Also a chance for a few isolated showers in the morning, upper 30s to low 40s, a slushy mix of rain and snow up at the Cascades. In central Oregon, we'll see just an early morning rain shower, and that's about it. Morning showers for us in the valley as well, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Now, we've got more chances of rain coming as we head in towards next week, and we're getting back to a little more typical pattern where we'll see these little waves coming at us about every other day or so, which is generally what we see this time of year. But as we head into the weekend, though, should stay fairly dry. Not good for the ski report. I'll have that coming up at 6:30, but we've got some chances for snow next week, Renee. And then here in the valley, I do think we'll see some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Saturday, Sunday may not be as lucky. And then once we get the rain back, we actually will see those, rain and sun breaks because we can get the fog moved out of here. Right.
All right. Well, good. All right. Thanks very much.
You bet.
Starbucks woman